So students, today we will discuss an activity that we have discussed in our previous class, how sodium reacts with water, because sodium is very reactive metal, right? So let's see how sodium reacts with water. Firstly we will take a tumbler, right, and fill this tumbler with water at the level of half, and after that placing the thermometer in the tumbler and record the temperature of water, right? As we see, the temperature in this case is 25 degrees Celsius, right? After that we will take, this is petri dish and this is sodium metal which is kept in kerosene. So we will just took out sodium metal and put that sodium metal into petri dish with the help of tongs. So this is sodium metal. This is very reactive metal, students. When we are doing the experiment, we have to ensure that sodium metal does not touch to the skin. See, it is so soft that we can cut this metal with the help of spatula. So it is very soft. So take a very little piece, just like of wheat grain, and using the filter paper dry the small piece of sodium metal so that moisture of the metal release out, and after that wrap that piece into cotton. Okay, after wrapping the piece into cotton, after wrapping the piece of metal into cotton, we will pour that metal piece into tumbler with the help of tongs. See, what do you observe? When you are supposed to doing this experiment, so you have to be careful, and after pouring this metal into the tumbler, just stand away from the tumbler. Because it reacts very vigorously with water. As you see, sodium is reacting very vigorously with water. There is a large amount of heat is released from here, and the temperature, if you observe in the thermometer, will rise. Now see, temperature is also rise. It is rise by 33 degrees Celsius, but on the starting it is 25 degrees Celsius. So after that we will take red or blue litmus paper strips and take water drops from the glass and put 2 or 3 water drops in both the strips, blue or red litmus paper. As you see, if you after putting the water drops on the red litmus paper, it becomes blue, right? So if we put the solution on blue litmus paper, then what do we observe? We observe that the color will not change, it will remains blue. Yes, we have seen sodium release a large amount of heat when it react with water. That is due to the temperature becomes increased, right? And the solution which is formed due to this effect turns red litmus to blue. So means what they are forming, but the color of blue litmus paper does not change, right? So what we can conclude from here, we can conclude that color of red litmus paper changes into blue. So the solution is basic in nature, right? So we can say that sodium reacts with water to form a basic solution, because color of litmus paper changes from red to blue, or a large amount of heat is released during this process, right? And sodium, when react with water, it will form a basic solution. I hope this is clear to all of you.